In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send gold stickers in Monopoly Go. I'm sure many of you have found sending regular stickers to friends simple enough, but golden stickers are a little different. These can only be traded during a special event called the Golden Blitz. So in this guide, I'll walk you through each step, ensuring you can easily take part in the excitement of sharing those coveted golden stickers. First things first, we need to be patient and wait for the Golden Blitz event to start. You'll recognize when this event is active by its distinctive golden stickers, which will have a shiny, glimmering animation, giving them a special allure. This is the only time you can send or request the specific golden stickers that the game offers during the event, so keep an eye out for these special notifications. Once the Golden Blitz event is underway, open your Monopoly Go app. On your screen, locate the album icon and tap on it. This will lead you to your sticker collection. The next step is to find the collection that has the specific golden sticker you wish to send. Scroll through your collection until you spot that golden sticker, making sure it's a duplicate as only spare golden stickers can be shared. Now, here comes the exciting part. Tap on your duplicate golden sticker to view it up close. A new page will appear and you'll see a button labeled Send to Friend. Tap that button and you'll be shown a list of friends who also play Monopoly Go. Simply choose the friend who would love to receive this golden sticker from you. After selecting your friend, press Continue. A final prompt will ask for your confirmation, so go ahead and tap Send to complete the process. Congratulations, you've successfully sent a golden sticker during the Golden Blitz event. It's a delightful way to share and engage with friends who are also enjoying the challenge and fun of Monopoly Go. Remember, this trading option is exclusive to the Golden Blitz event. Outside of this special time, you'll notice the Send button changes to a message stating, "This sticker cannot be gifted." So timing is everything when it comes to getting the most out of your golden stickers. That wraps up this tutorial on sending gold stickers in Monopoly Go. I hope you found it useful and enjoyable to follow along. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more tips and updates on Monopoly Go. Thank you for watching, and see you next time with more fun tips and strategies.